Hey guys, hope you're doing well. I'm sorry I wasn't able to access my trading tools over the past couple of days and I wasn't able to put out some videos for you guys, but I'm back now. I'll be able to do this regularly now. So let's get started. Let's not waste any time. Today we're going to be looking at two ETFs, the SPY and the QQQ, and we'll be looking at two stocks, Apple and Tesla. So while I was gone, there was a bunch of movement in the market, like we predicted. We said the SPY still had strength to go up, um, but it was overextended, so we did see some pullback today. And I think it is sitting at a pretty place right now, where there is more downside more than the upper side. However, it can still be bullish. I mean, SPY is always going to be bullish no matter what. So yeah, let's get into the technicals and see what we can evaluate about this. So here we have the 4-hour chart for the SPY. Let me just zoom in and let's see where we are at right now. So this is the gap where we had that amazing bull run, I believe last Thursday or Friday, and then we continued on with the bull run and hit all-time highs over the past couple of trading days. And today we got to see some pullback. So this pullback is healthy, like we had predicted before. There will be some kind of a pullback by SPY. It hit 453, and like you see, this is the trend we have been following since March. Yeah, since March, and you can see it's getting tighter and tighter. The all-time highs, the lows. As you can see, the general trend is getting tighter up top, but you can see here there's still a lot of room ahead for SPY to continue what it's doing. So let's zoom in. Let's see what we have here. 453. We got a bounce back to almost 450. Not exactly. We reached 451. Yeah, 451, and then we bounced right back up here. So tomorrow we have to watch. Let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame here. So this is the midpoint between these levels here, 447 and 453. So we could get a touch to 450 and then continue the trend along, or we can get a pullback to 447. However, I think anything below 447 would be puts on my end, even below 450. If you see 450 and see a bounce tomorrow, I think it's still a bullish trend and you should go for calls. If you see 450 and see a sharp drop to 449, look at the technicals, look at the RSI, and that should be a pull down to 447. 447 here would indicate a midpoint for this trend right here. 447, if I see 447 tomorrow, I'm going in for calls for the rest of the week. So keep an eye out for that, and let's see where we are at tomorrow. We will visit this again tomorrow. Next one, QQQ. Again, QQQ had that amazing bull run again. Same with the SPY, all-time highs last couple of days. Now we are consolidating around 379, 380. Here, if you see level to level, 369 to 380, 375 is the midpoint. What would be healthy for the market is to see this again, at least 377 back up. However, tomorrow we have the employment reports, I believe, in the morning, and if we see good numbers there, I think it will help the market, the Nasdaq, the SPY, the Dow as well. They will fly as in at least try and grab these all-time highs again. 380, 380.76, right? It might go to 381. So keep an eye out for it. Keep an eye out on the job updates, employment updates, and see where QQQ would be trending. If you see a break below 378, 375 is imminent. So you can go in for puts at that point. So again, keep an eye out. It's very similar to the SPY. So yeah, if you see strength in the morning, then I believe we could see more all-time highs. So yeah, let's visit this tomorrow and see where we are at. Now the next one was Apple. All right. So During the bull run, as we all know, Apple broke that wonderful 150 resistance and turned it into support, and is trying to turn it into support. So you can see here 150 was hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times almost, broke right through it, all-time highs 153, and now we came back down to 151.86, 152 you would say. Again, I believe there is a gap here that needs to be filled back down to 150, and then if the market remains strong, you see strength in the Nasdaq or SPY. We see this bounce right here again on the bullish channel. If there might be a trend line that we could actually draw here, so let me just do uh, these points right here. Let me change that to a simpler, so our trend line color is this, and yeah, so you can see here Apple is trying to form this little channel over here, and so if it could do the same thing, come down to the midpoint, go down back here, and then go up and grind up higher. Or if it does this, then we are extremely bullish on Apple. So, and with the new iPhones coming out soon in a month or two, I think this is definitely a bullish trend by Apple, and we just have to keep an eye out for it. Any pullback to a substantial level where you could see support, technical support, even right here, if you want to see 148, you see some support on this time, at this point, resistance that was turned into support, and so you could go for calls in there. But in the long term, I believe, yeah, any pullback from Apple is definitely something that you need to look at and go in for the calls if you want to play the upside. All right, we'll visit this tomorrow. Let's see what Apple does, and we'll take it from there. The next one is Tesla. All right, Tesla. Perfect. Okay, so this was our dip. I think after some news on Tesla, which wasn't great. I don't remember what exactly it was. Right after that, you see that pull right back to the 700, 690, 700 area, and then this is when it flew with the market being strong over the last couple of days, and now we are at 734. Now we have to see, will Tesla hold this level and turn this resistance into support? It's very important. If we lose this, I believe we test 710 and then maybe go in for a bull run. If we lose the 710, we go right back down to the 700 area. So very important day for Tesla tomorrow. Let's see what it does. If it goes back above the 733 to 740, then it's very bullish, and the next gap you see is 782. So that's what we need to watch. Does Tesla go above 734? If it goes above 736, you guys should go for the calls. If it goes below, I would not try to play puts to 713. Wait for it to break below 713 and play your puts till 700, because we know 700 is a great support level for Tesla, and even resistance if it goes back even below that. So play your puts below 714 to 700 and calls above just 736, 737, and it should be a good day for Tesla. So alright guys, those were the two stocks, two ETFs and two stocks that we looked at, and let's revisit this tomorrow. Let's see where we are at, and again, if tomorrow after the employment update, it could go anyway, the market, so just be careful tomorrow. Just don't go in for your calls and puts right when the market opens. Wait for 20 minutes or so, see where the market is moving, and then take your calls or options. All right guys, thank you for tuning into the videos. I'll keep posting more videos regularly from today. Sorry about the interruption. I couldn't get to these videos for around 3 or 4 days. I'll be back. I am back now. I'll be posting regularly, so just keep an eye out, guys. Subscribe if you like my videos. I'll be bringing in more videos, and let's work this market together and try to make some money. All right, cheers guys, thank you.